You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word that is very confusing and very often mispronounced. Even more importantly, if you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, including if you're on Vietnamese, make sure to stay tuned. So this is a word that does come from Vietnamese and Chinese cultures. It means also in English a poem or a song, pronounced lie, alright, not lay, simply how to pronounce lie. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.